Hey guys, I'm back and I owe you a video. I have decided exactly which phone I'm going to keep and which one I've already returned. Um, any last guesses? Feel free to comment them down below. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. By the way, I've gotten a few comments on my videos about how I look like Linus. I don't know where that comes from randomly. I shaved now, so maybe that helps to not. People are asking if I'm related to Linus, if I'm his brother. I'm not going to confirm or deny that. Maybe you guys can get Linus to comment on the video. Get him to confirm it for you if you want. So, no comment from me. Hey, Linus, are we related? I don't know. Basically, I decided to return the 15 Pro and go with the Pro Max. I know it was a tough decision. It really was, but it comes down to this. This is kind of what I determined was my I kind of knew right away. So basically, I got the 15 Pro. Curiosity drove me to try the 15 Pro Max, right? Curiosity brought me up to the 15 Pro Max. And so I tried that and I was like, ooh, I really like this. This was a week ago. This is pretty nice. A few days go by. I'm like, this is pretty great. Curiosity drove me to say, is it that much different than the 15 Pro? Like, is it that much better for the extra bit that you pay, the 5x camera, the battery life? Is it that much better? Maybe I should switch back. So I switched back to the 15 Pro. Again, curiosity drove me to do it. Got back to the 15 Pro, and after just a few hours, about a day or so, I was like, yeah, it's not. It's so much better. Like the 15 Pro is not as good as the Pro Max. And I'm just confident in what I've picked now, and I'm glad for it. So curiosity drove me back to the 15 Pro, and necessity drove me back to the 15 Pro Max. So I'm glad to be back on it. The battery life is crazy good. The camera is marginally better, which I appreciate. And just the screen real estate. I really do enjoy having this size of a phone. I sometimes keep it in a case, sometimes don't. I'll do a review on the Peak Design cases here soon. Which, by the way, they denied my request for a partnership thing, so I could give you like a link and then I could get a kickback for. I'm like, come on, guys! Like my wallet video is like one of the top ones out there, so come on. Yes, the 15 Pro Max. It's the phone for me. It's gonna last longer. Uh, as far as the lifespan, 3 to 5 years. I'm gonna be able to get a lot more out of this phone, get a lot more done. The battery's just amazing. Yeah, it was just an easy pick for me. I knew as soon as I went back to the Pro, you go back and forth. As soon as I went back to the Pro, I was like, nope, nope, I couldn't do it. The small phone, the smaller screen just felt like a downgrade to me. The battery life was definitely a downgrade. And so I was like, nope, I'm going back to the 15 Pro Max. So I went back the other day and exchanged it, had it back for a couple days. No regrets. Haven't had second thoughts. I've been loving it. It's been good to be back on it. So just quite enjoyed it. And I ended up upgrading. I have the 512 gigabyte model. So I'm hoping that this future proofs me a little bit and allows me to be able to film and have quite a bit of room for those large log files when I do come around to filming those. So that's basically what I picked, 15 Pro Max. You can go watch my 15 Pro Max review video because I already did one, talked about how great it was before I went and brought it back to the 15 Pro. So I made extra sure, right? I'm the crazy guy that will go and return it and bounce back and forth for you so you don't have to. And for me, I like this phone a lot. I really, really do. But anyway, that's what I chose. 15 Pro Max. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.